In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix a monitor screen that has a yellow tint in Windows. This can be quite a frustrating problem, especially if you're trying to get some important work done or enjoy a movie. But don't worry, I've got you covered, and we'll get this sorted in just about 5 minutes. Let's dive right into it. First, we're going to address something called the nightlight feature. This is often the culprit of an unwanted yellowish hue on your screen. Begin by clicking on the Start button, which you'll typically find on the bottom left of your screen. Once you've done that, head over to the Settings menu. Within this menu, you should see an option labeled System. Go ahead and click on that. From here, navigate to Display. Now, within the display settings, you're going to look for an option called Nightlight. If this option is turned on, go ahead and switch it off. This should help neutralize any yellow tint that was being caused by night mode settings. Next, we'll make sure to turn off any HDR warm filters. Staying within the settings, under the System and Display sections, keep a lookout for an option that says HDR. This stands for High Dynamic Range, a feature that can sometimes add a warmer color to your display. Click on it if it's visible. If the HDR is turned on, simply go ahead and turn it off. Disabling HDR might just do the trick in case it was contributing to the yellow tint on your screen. Moving on, let's change the color profile of your display. This will ensure the colors you're seeing are accurate. To do this, click the Start button again and type in Color Management. When it appears, open the Color Management settings. Now, ensure that you select the option that says Use my settings for this device. This allows you to customize the color settings to your liking. Once you have checked that, click on the Add button. In the list of profiles that comes up, select the option that says sRGB IEC 1966 to 2.1. After selecting it, click OK to confirm. Finally, set this as your default profile by clicking Set as Default Profile. By following these simple steps, you should see a significant improvement in the color quality of your monitor, making any undesired yellow tint a thing of the past. Thanks for joining me today, and I hope you found this guide helpful. Remember to like and subscribe for more useful tips. Take care and enjoy your perfectly colored screen.